All right, in this video, we're going to be factoring x squared plus x minus 12. So the first thing you want to do, you want to make sure every term has a coefficient, and we have two that do not. We know that invisible coefficient is 1, so I'm going to add that to my x squared and my x. Then we can go ahead and label A, B, and C. Then we can set up our tic-tac-toe board. And we're going to fill in with the numbers that we have. So our A value is 1, and my C value is negative 12. Make sure you keep that negative sign. And then we're going to multiply 1 times negative 12 is negative 12, A times C. Then we're going to go list out all of our factors of 12. So 1 and 12, 2 and 6, and then 3 and 4. So we need to figure out which set of numbers we're going to use. We're going to go look at our B value, which is 1. So we need to figure out which set of numbers has a difference of 1. And we know that we have 3 and 4. So we're going to put 3 and 4. If we look at our signs, positive times positive doesn't give us negative, and 3 and 4 doesn't give us 1. So either one or both of our numbers need to be negative. So you go look at B, and B is positive. So that means our bigger number is going to be positive. So our smaller number has to be negative. So we check our signs. Positive times negative is negative. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. 4 minus 3 will give you 1. So that means we did our math correctly. We've checked 3 different ways to ensure that that is correct. So we'll go on to the left-hand side. We know that if this number is 1, our other two numbers have to be 1 because that is the only factors of 1. And then we know if this box is 1, everything multiplied times 1 is just itself. So we're going to have negative 3 and 4. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. And then going up, 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. And 1 times 1 is 1. So once everything's filled in, we go do our butterfly. And our x values are on the left-hand side. So we have x minus 3 and x plus 4. And then once again, to double check your work, you can use box method to make sure that when you do box method, this is the answer that you would get to make sure you did everything correctly.